Here is how to uninstall Epic Games Launcher. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can uninstall Epic Games Launcher. So let's start. First of all, go to the search box on your taskbar. Then after type remove. You'll find this add or remove programs option. Click on it. Now go to the search bar on the top and type Epic Games. You'll find the Epic Games Launcher. Click on the three dots on the right hand side and then click on uninstall. Furthermore, click on uninstall once again. You will be able to uninstall Epic Games Launcher by doing that. If it says Epic Games Launcher is still running and you can't uninstall it, then simply go to taskbar and right click on it. You will find this task manager option. Open it. Now locate Epic Games Launcher. Then after right click on it. After that click on end task. Then it should fix the issue and you will be able to uninstall Epic Games Launcher. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.